does she think she's doing? Trying to move these by herself. Look at her. You ain't got that. You ain't got that. Damn!
Butter! Butter!
I brought safety goggles for you.
Okay, yeah.
Mine.
There's enough for both of you, okay?
I don't want to share.
Oh yeah, there is. But I don't want to share.
Nice, nice.
Huh? What do you need? No, just to skate. I haven't skated in like a week. Me neither. I haven't skated since my birthday.
I've just been meaning to get out there, and today's pretty much my only day to do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Or at least with you.
After I put this floor down, we should do it. My little unexpected helper. Always nice to have a man around the house.
Oh yeah. I need a real handyman. He called me.
You called me.
Oh yeah.
Dude, what? I thought you were gonna be cool.
Don't show my butt crack.
Yeah. Show it more often. But since Gabe showed up unexpectedly, had a day off, and I unexpectedly had a day off, we just thought, hey, we're gonna take this day off together.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you fly ground now? Freestyle? Just got here, just warming up, see if we can get some good footage. If not any tricks, then just like something entertaining.
That one felt so pretty too.
Charged the camera, went for another trip to go get more wood, and I'm ready to start putting these walls up.
Day of your life, I'm the whisper inside.
You stay here and you watch from the garden. Don't move. Put the roof up. Welcome to an unsupported roof. good enough. I don't know how many days I've worked on it, but it's done enough. I don't know what the last thing I recorded on this thing, but this is what it looks like. And it's not 100% done, but it's done enough. Well, we're gonna put little saloon doors here so they can come in and out, old Western style. And they can like, you know, they like climbing in and out of this window for some reason. We put a new like kid shelf. They brought like every single one of their toys out. But we're gonna move this to this wall right here. And then there's gonna be a stair set coming down there. But yeah, sorry I didn't record the bottom part. Sorry I didn't record me finishing the bottom part, but like, and whenever I do the top, I'll record that too in another video. But yeah, that's my DIY build. It's basically just a shed and we just turned it into a playhouse. When I do the roof, I'll put it in that video. When I do the second story to whatever they're gonna do. Yeah, okay, I can't talk. I don't know what to say. Goodbye.